Hello! This figure has a semicircle with the radius of 4 units. The line segment AC is 19 units and CD 14 units. Angle C is a right angle. This line segment is tangent to the semicircle and we need to find angle X. To solve this problem, we will need to split angle X into two angles by connecting D and O. Then let this be angle alpha and this one beta. Now, if we could find these two angles, then we will add them and we will get angle X. To find angle alpha, we will use the triangle CDO. In this triangle, we have one side, and to find the side OC, we will subtract 4 from 19. So again, to find the side OC, we will subtract 4 from 19. Then OC equals 15. So now in this triangle, the side opposite of angle alpha is 15 and the adjacent side is 14. Then we can find angle alpha using the tangent function. We will write that tangent of angle alpha equals the opposite side 15 divided by the adjacent side 14. So tangent of alpha equals 15 over 14. Then alpha equals the inverse tangent of 15 over 14. Then alpha is approximately 47 degrees. So we have angle alpha, and now to find angle beta, we will form another right triangle. For this, we will connect point O with the point of tangency of this line segment. And let this point be point E. Then here another right angle is formed because the radius is always perpendicular to the tangent at the point of tangency. So now we have another right triangle formed, EOD, and so far in this triangle we know that side OE is 4 units. We can also find the hypotenuse OD by using the first triangle. As you see, OD is a hypotenuse for both these triangles. So in the first triangle, using the Pythagorean theorem, we can write that OD squared equals 15 squared plus 14 squared. So again, OD squared equals 15 squared plus 14 squared. Then OD equals square root of 15 squared plus 14 squared. Then OD is approximately 20.5. So now in this triangle, we know the side opposite of angle beta and the hypotenuse. Then to find angle beta, we will use the sine function. We will write that sine of angle beta equals the opposite side 4 divided by the hypotenuse 20.5. So again, sine of angle beta equals 4 over 20.5. Then beta equals inverse sine of 4 over 20.5. Then beta is approximately 11.3 degrees. And now, once we have alpha and beta, we will add them together and we will find X. So X equals alpha plus beta, and alpha is 47 degrees and beta is 11.3 degrees, and together this makes 58.3 degrees. And now the problem is completed. Thank you for watching.